Hi all, today we are going to see different sorting techniques. Among that we will first see a selection sort, how does it work, a selection sort algorithm. So in selection sort algorithm it is used to arrange a list of elements in a particular order, whether it is ascending or descending, it's our convenient. And in a selection sort what they will do means, the first element in the list is selected and it is compared with all the remaining elements in it. So just consider this as a given list, and here first we will take 14 and we will compare with all the rest of the elements in the list. This is an array and here the first element is 14. That means this is a given array A. This is a given array A. The elements are 14, 25, 7, 6, 22. So here this is a given array 14, 25, 7, 6, 22 and 15, and this is the array position A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4 and A of 5, and here the size of the array is 6, right? And here first we will consider, here we are working based on a sorted subarray and unsorted subarray. We will arrange one side as a sorted and another side as a unsorted. First we will assume the first element in the array is a sorted one and we will consider this. Here A of 0, that means first element is 14, and we do compare with all the elements. First we will check 14 with 25. It is greater than 14, no change. Then next we will check 14 with 7. That time 7 is less than 14. So we have to swap this. That means 7 should come here and 14 should go here. We do swapping, right? Now, so in the first pass 1, our array will be like this. Our sorted array will be like this in pass 1. So now here 7 will come, 25, 14 will come here, 6, 22 and 15. This is the pass 1. So in the first case we consider the first element in the array as a sorted one. Next, so this is now this is our sorted portion. Here in the first case we assume the first element in the array is a sorted one and we did the pass 1. We compared this 14 with the rest of the element. We found that 7 is less than 14, so we swap this element. Then next in next case this is our sorted subarray and this is the unsorted subarray, and what we will do means we'll leave this portion and we'll consider all these, all the rest from 1 to 5 will consider. When we are considering the minimum from the list, so we can found that 6 is the minimum one, and what we'll do means we'll compare this 6 with the first element in this unsorted subarray. Now our array will be like this in pass 2, 7, 6, 14, 25, 22 and 15. Now this is our array, and this is the sorted subarray and this is the unsorted subarray. Clear? Next we are considering this as the sorted subarray and this as the unsorted subarray. From this unsorted subarray we will check which is the minimum value. So here we found 14 is the minimum value, so there is no change in the there is no need of any swapping, so we can write as such. So now our sorted subarray having element 7, 6, 14 and rest will be like this 25, 22 and 15. So this is our sorted subarray and this is the unsorted subarray, and here again we will check what is in next one. So pass 4, in pass 4 we will check with 25, 22 and 15, and here 15 is the minimum value and we will swap this 15 with the first element in the unsorted subarray. So now our array will be like this 7, 6, 14, 15, 22 and 25. Again we do check with the array. So up to 15 our array is sorted subarray, and here this is unsorted. Again we will check with 22 and 25. There is no change in this. So again 7, 6, 14, 15, 22 and 25. So up to this much is our sorted subarray, up to this much. And this is the one element in the unsorted subarray, and we'll assume that since it is having only one element in the sorted unsorted subarray, so we'll consider this as the biggest one in the given list. And now this is pass 5. So our array size is 6 and we have to do 5 passes to come to the sorted subarray. Okay. So this is the algorithm for selection sort. Consider, so here our n is equal to 6. We consider n as a 6 here because we have 6 elements, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our array size is 6. And here this loop is for the entire array list. For I is equal to 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus. So I less than n minus 1 means we have to do 5 passes, n minus 1, that means 6 minus 1, 5 passes in case of n is equal to 6. Okay. So for I is equal to 0, for I is equal to 0 means a of 0, that is I is equal to 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus. Then we have to initialize int min is equal to I, int min is equal to I, that means int min is equal to I യുടെ വാല്യൂ എന്താണ് ഇവിടെ? I യുടെ വാല്യൂ 0 ആണ്. int min is equal to 0. int min is 0. Then for j is equal to I plus 1. For j is equal to I plus 1, j less than n, j plus plus. Here j is equal to I plus 1 means next we have to increment this ith position. That means here we have set int min is equal to I. That means the first value of I is 0 here. So this is the minimum here. This is the minimum here. 14 is the minimum here. Next we need to increment. We have to compare this with this next element. That's why for j is equal to I plus 1. J is equal to I plus 1. J less than n, j plus plus. This is for the comparison. Okay, j plus plus 1. And if a of j less than a of min. So here our j value is what? I plus 1. Here our j value is 25 and a of min is what? 14. So here our j value is 25 and our min value is 14. 25 is the j value and min value is 14. So 25 is greater than 14. So no change. Again this j plus plus will done, and again we will check with another value. So again our j value is what? J value is 7 now and our min value is 14. So this 7 is less than 14. We are updating min is equal to 7 now, and now this is for now 7 come here as in the min position. Now this is a sorted order. Then again we have to check if min is not is equal to I, then we have to do swap a of I with a of min. Okay, that is the algorithm for selection sort.